Hi everyone, and welcome to Axille's Vegan Corner. In this video, I'm making an easy and delicious ginger salad dressing inspired by Benihana Salad. You can add this to your menu whenever you have sushi or just for a change. But before I start, please hit the subscribe button to be notified for future videos. The ingredients for this recipe are grapeseed oil, seasoned rice vinegar, tomato paste, soy sauce, ginger, onions, celery, salt and pepper, and a garden mix salad. Combine all the ingredients in a container and mix everything with a hand blender or a regular blender. Puree until smooth. Add it to the garden mix salad or your favorite veggie and refrigerate the remaining dressing up to 7 days. I hope you enjoyed this video. Until then, thanks for watching!